Put your gloves on. Let's tie-dye today. Okay, this is a, it has pockets. This is a dress for me. This is rayon and spandex. That's why it's stretchy. I went a size up from what I normally would because my experience with rayon in the past is that it does shrink. So I gave that shrink allowance for it. I got it off of Amazon because it's, for me, it's not to resell. And I'll put a link in the description below if you're looking for an affordable blank for yourself or a gift, but not so much to turn around in resale, in my opinion. As always, soaked in water, soda ash water solution, 20 minutes or more, wrung out in the wash machine until damp. So I'm going to crinkle this dress. I'm going to let the design of the dye be the rock star in this, not the folding pattern, because I'm going to do rainbow for the month of June, and I'm going to do like alternating colors, so it will have peaks and valleys. So it'll be like red and another kind of red, and then orange and a dark orange, and yellow and a dark yellow, and so on and so forth, and across the and the pattern will cut across this way. So I'm just going to crinkle basically from corner to corner. Just do red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. There. So I know where I'm putting my colors down. Yeah, let me do on this side too. Okay, here's my dress. I don't remember. Did I say I soaked it in soda ash? Soaked it in soda ash water for 20 minutes or more. Spun it out in the washing machine until damp. And then I did all the crinkling from before. This is future me trying to remember what I did. And so I'm going to do this rainbow. So red, orange, yellow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. And then on the other side, I'm going to use a lighter color or a different type of that color. So for this side, I'm going to do like really hot colors. So for the red, I'm going to start with fire red. And I'm going to do this. Oh, my bottle is leaking. Fire red here. So you could see, but it makes it a little awkward because of the cabinet wall. So there's my fire red. My next is going to be tangerine. We're just gonna have to do it like this, y'all, because I'm right-handed. So tangerine. I don't want to go too heavy because I want the other color to show up as well. My next is lemon yellow. Did it mix up? Lemon yellow is the hardest to mix. It always wants to settle in the bottom. if I wait 24 hours, it'll mix. And then you can see the tangerine. See how it breaks out? Can you see how it breaks out into yellow here? Gorgeous. I love tangerine. So we're gonna do yellow. And then bright green next to it. And then, what is this one? Oh, it's turquoise. No, yes, I'm going to use turquoise instead of brilliant blue. I'm going to use turquoise. I mixed up. Then we're going to go, I said turquoise. Oh my gosh. Turquoise. God, it's so pretty. Turquoise. Turquoise. And then I'm going to move that brilliant blue over there. Ultra violet. Pink, pink. Okay, then I'm going to flip it over. Don't get no gunk on the light colors. Flip it over. And on this side, I'm going to go hot pink over the fire red. And my gloves were dirty. And I just, whatever. So there's some hot pink. Over the orange, I'm going to use tangerine. I'm going to use pomegranate. Over the tangerine, I'm going to use pomegranate, but I mix it half. So it's 4 teaspoons per cup. I only mixed it 2, half strength. So we're going to put that over. Because it can be orangey, but that tangerine is real fiery. I think they'll be really pretty together. And then over the yellow, I have golden yellow. I'm going to go there. And then over the bright green, I have wasabi. Over the turquoise, I have robin's egg. This turquoise almost breaks out into robin's egg. And then over the ultraviolet, I have sweet pea. And then we'll see how these colors complement each other once we wash out. These 3 are gorgeous. Pomegranate, golden yellow, and wasabi. Gorgeous. Mental note, let's work with these in another project because that's just stunning right there. Okay, 24 hours. Are you ready? It's so pretty. Oh my God. Look, hey, did I tell y'all it has pockets? Oh, can you see? Oh, and the drape. The spandex adds drape to that rayon that it just has, such a nice wow. Oh my God. And it did. Look, we're going to start here. I'm talking out my back. With the red and the, well, actually, the hot pink just got swallowed up because I really think that because the way this blended, the red, the tangerine, the yellow, the pomegranate on the back really showed up. Just kind of took over in this area. Oh no, I'm not mad. I'm not mad. It's just, and it's got such a beautiful flow. And so we have just like the yellow, and we have that little peak of the golden yellow from the other side. The same with the green. There's just that little peak. You see that little peak of wasabi? It's just popping out. And then with the turquoise, you could barely, there's just a little bit of negative space where that robin's egg just kind of got overtook by the turquoise. It really did. I probably could have used maybe like brilliant blue or a darker blue. That robin's egg, in my mind, I was seeing something that just didn't happen in real life. I'm not mad. I'm not mad. And then we have that ultraviolet with those little peaks of sweet pea there. Let's look at the back. I'm just so excited. So we have more, the wasabi show, because this is the back of the dress where the color will be more prominent of your second color. So your wasabi is showing out here. The wasabi up in here. And then down in here, still, even where there's negative spaces with that turquoise, it just completely took over the robin's egg. But we still got little breakouts of that sweet pea from the ultraviolet. And then over in here, we've got that yellow and golden yellow going up into that tangerine. Oy. Oh. But wait. Look. Did I tell you that it has pockets? I love this so much. I love the fit. I love the drape. It's got swing to it. I feel so schmancy in this. My dogs are barking. I have to try it on for you guys. I'm so excited about this dress. Absolutely out of my mind. Thanks for hanging out and letting me show off my new dress. I'm so excited. I can't wait to wear it. If you like these kind of videos, please like and subscribe. I'll make sure that I put it in playlist so it's easier for you to find. Look what we did today. We made a new dress out of really fun colors, layering different colors on top of each other so they would show from back to front, and it made this beautiful design. I'm so excited. I mean, be peaceful. It's important. And I'll talk to you soon. Here come the flowers. Stay out of my succulents! Is that why it's having a hard time? Leave it alone! Ma'am! 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 Stay out of my succulents! Ma'am! Oh yeah, those are so pretty together.